Hey my phenomenal people, I know. I've been incognito for quite some time, and I want to take the time to apologize to all my subscribers, to all my followers. Love you guys, but hey, I'm here now, and it's time to step into the new year with amazing videos, great energy, and taking it on. I want to tell you guys thank you so much for the ones that are subscribed, that have followed me for this tremendous amount of time on my journey with my health. As you guys know, if you don't know, go check out the video on my page, or I think we'll put it up here somewhere so you guys can learn more about what I'm battling. I've been going through a lot of health issues with my stomach, and I also went through a fall back in August 2012, which left me super symptomatic. But I'm here now, ready to make new videos, create new content to keep you guys happy. And if you have any suggestions, don't forget, let me know. Put it down there, subscribe. And today's video, we will be creating delicious, eggless, gluten-free, dairy-free French toast. I can't wait to share with you guys, so get ready.
So guys, let's go on to the ingredients. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Start off with your coconut milk. Of course, you can use your preferred milk, which we use hemp as well. A dash of cinnamon, probably about a half of a teaspoon. Then I go ahead and I add in a pinch of nutmeg. You could add all these ingredients to your liking, of course. I add in about half of a half teaspoon of vanilla. And then I go ahead and whisk all these ingredients together. Our favorite bread to use is always a gluten-free option, such as Canyon House bread. Make sure, guys, to preheat your pan at a low temperature. Next, go ahead and add in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We use the brand Nutiva because it's a company we've always used for years. I go ahead and dip my French toast lightly into the mixture, as you can see, and voila, add it in and you will hear your preheated oil start to sizzle. As I continue making my French toast, I prefer adding in extra cinnamon powder as I go along, depending on how many slices of bread you're going to make at one time, but my family loves cinnamon. Look at that sizzling action. Just the vibe. Pretty much your French toast should take on a good heated temperature on your pot. It should take anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes to cook on each side. You just got to make sure to keep an eye on it. Go ahead and serve it up on your dish. Ours comes out, like I said, on a little bit more of a crunchy side, but the centers are perfectly soft. I sprinkle on cinnamon powder, and then we like adding on organic wild blueberries, but you can add on anything you want. Anything from strawberries to bananas. You can even add on Nutella. We prefer using nocciolata because it's a better option, which does not have palm oil. For our kids, or almond butter. Next, I go ahead and drizzle on some Coconut Nectar syrup. I prefer this brand because it's also organic, non-GMO. It's great for vegans because it has a low glycemic index for sugar, for those of you that might have diabetes or any health problems. So let's go ahead and try this. Oh yeah, you guys know you want to try some. Real good. That's me doing my happy dance. Come on, guys. Oh, so good. Watch my daughter's face. She'll tell it all. Here we go, guys. Let's see. Watch those eyes. You know the kids like it when they give you a thumbs up.
So there you have it, my phenomenal people. Delicious French toast that you can eat at any time of the day. In my house, we love it for dinner. Makes a perfect meal. Let me know how you guys make your French toast. Don't forget to comment down below and give me some suggestions on what you guys would like to see me create for healthy snacks or meals for you and your family. Hey, I love feeding the kiddos, so I know it's pretty hard when it comes down to that. Don't forget to give this awesome video a thumbs up. Subscribe so I can put you on to more stuff to come. Take care.